Hi guys, welcome back. So in this short tutorial, I'm just showing you what I did, how I prepped it. I couldn't get a full video of how I was styling the hair from start to finish, but I was able to get a part where I showed you how I prepped the hair before I did a twist. So you can see my staff already coiled it, and after the coiling, I now held the hair together and then swept it to the side. One thing about the French twist, you have to sweep it sideways. Sweep it and then um pin it down. So that's what I've been doing here. I was sweeping and I was trying to be careful because obviously she has a frontal installed. And after sweeping, I proceeded to pin it. It was very difficult for me to film this on that day. If you can see here, my camera was even moving. Like it was very challenging, but I tried my best, and I think that's even the reason why I struggled to film the rest of it. So this you can look at this. If you're a bridal hairstylist, you know that what I'm showing you right now is already a secret. Make sure you put it to practice if you want to try French twist on a wig. Doing French twist on a wig is very difficult, but if you do what you've seen me do here, you're going to get it right. Just get it right. Just sweep it to the make sure that the back of the wig there's also hair there, like sweep it as low as possible. I'll be filming another fully detailed tutorial on how to do this style completely with a wig, but in the meantime I decided to drop this because I know that someone somewhere that has a bridal hair business will be thinking, but how do I now put the hair, like how do I this is going to give you that hint on what to do. But I'm going to film another tutorial